I'm timing my trophy fishing trips to the moon. Not woo-woo, water physics. Here's my moon-to-meal trigger plan to turn lunar tides into bigger bites and bigger fish. First, time your trip to the spring tides. That's the window around new moon. Full moon. Aim for +2-3 days. Those tides run strongest, currents get punchy, and activity spikes. I've seen, and studies back this, up to a 40% bump in catch rates. Stronger flow corrals bait, concentrates scent trails, and flips the feeding switch for aggressive hunters. Translation: more fish pass by your lure. Next, I embrace night fishing during the full moon. During daytime on a bright moon, fish often swim deeper. But at night, that tide is your trophy fishing engine. I go nocturnal for big reef fish, groupers, snappers, muskie. The science here is cool, stronger tides push bait fish straight into ambush lanes, while low light gives predator fish cover. So I slow roll big profiles, work edges and saddles, and let the moon do the heavy lifting. If it's a bright lunar phase, I adjust my gear for depth shifts. I assume fish are holding deeper to dodge light. In saltwater, I run a downrigger or heavier jig heads. I bump to deeper diving plugs with tighter wobble. Fresh water, I switch to sinking lines, longer leaders, countdown presentations. The rule is simple: match the depth, match the mood of the fish. Now, lunar cues are a bonus, not a guarantee. I always pair the moon with local factors: ideal water temps, wind direction that stacks bait. A prefrontal barometer drop will turbocharge your odds. Season and location still call the main focus of your presentation. So I check the forecast, log my spots, and overlap the moon peak with the best local window I can find. Here's the part I don't skip: sustainable fishing. Spring tides don't just move adults, they boost larval survival, feeding the pipeline for future trophies. Big breeders make better babies. So when my catch rate jumps on a lunar peak, I practice selective harvest, or straight catch and release on the true trophies. Barbless hooks where it makes sense, quick photos, proper revival. Protect the engines that power the fishery. Quick checklist. Schedule around new or full moon +2-3 days. Go nocturnal on full moon tides for reef giants. Go nocturnal on full moon tides for muskie. Fish deeper on bright moons, downriggers, divers, sinking lines. Stack lunar peaks with temps, wind, and pre-front pressure drops. Release the breeders. Let the moon keep making monsters. Plan with the moon. Fish with intention. Turn tide into trophy. See you on the night shift.